Hello students, today we are going to discuss about the term valency. So basically valency is generally known as the combining power or combining capacity of an element. Right, basically if I say valency, so valency is generally the number. It's never a charge, it's always a number of electrons lost or gained, right? And why the electrons are lost or gained? Just to achieve the stability. Achieve the stability means to achieve the noble gas configuration, right? So how to calculate valency? Here I have one trick, that suppose if the outermost electrons are less than or equal to 4, in that condition valency will always be equal to the number of outermost electrons, right? If it is less than or equal to 4, in that condition only. But suppose the outermost electrons exceed 4, or it is more than 4, in that condition valency will always be equal to 8 minus those outermost electrons. Means if the number of electrons exceed 4, you have to subtract that number from 8, right? So here I have one table, like suppose number of outermost electrons, suppose they are 1, 2, 3 and 4. In that condition the valency remains same as the number of outermost electrons, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. But as soon as it exceeds 4, in that condition we have to subtract it from 8. That means if the number of outermost electrons are 5, the valency will be 3, because 8 minus 5 will be 3. Similarly, for 6, 8 minus 6 will be 2. Similarly, for 7, 8 minus 7 will be equals to 1. And for 8 itself, 8 minus 8 will be 0. But here we have one exception, that is exception is helium. Helium actually completes its duplet, not the octet, right? So in that condition its valency will remain 0 as it completes its duplet. Now here we have the table for the valency for the first 20 elements, right? So see, hydrogen, the electronic configuration is 1, so valency is also equals to 1. Helium, it is 2, and it is an exception as I told you, because it completes its duplet, so the valency will be 0. Now lithium is 2 comma 1, so valency will be 1 as the outermost electron is 1. Now for beryllium 2, so 2. Just check the outermost electrons and use it. Okay. Now for 3, it will remain 3. Similarly for 4, it will remain 4. For 5, it will remain 3 now. Because for 5, we have to subtract it from 8. That will give you the answer, that is equals to 3. Similarly for 6, 2, 7, 1, 8, 0. Now again 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5. Again we have to decrease it. We have to subtract it from 8. So 3, then 6, 2, then 7, 1, then 8, 0, then 1, again 1, and 2, 2. This is how you can calculate the valency of an element.